Hi everyone, welcome once again to the Untitled channel, and with me is a device that I'm very excited to be showcasing, to be unboxing in this video. This is the Oppo Reno6, and the reason for my excitement is because I've been using its predecessor, the Oppo Reno5. It's been such a reliable device since the start of the year when I unboxed it in another video here, and now I want to see what this brings, if it brings the same kind of reliability, and most importantly, you can see this branding on the box here. This is the Oppo Reno6 5G. So basically this is one of the increasing options in the local market for you to get on the 5G bandwagon. So without further ado, let's see what we are getting. So once you've gone through the layers of boxes that are included, this is what you're greeted with. There's a small box that you're coming back to. Here's your device itself. It has a very boxy feel. Get back to it in a moment. This here is your USB Type-C cable. Here your earphones, and here is that charging brick. Now this is unchanged from the Oppo Reno 5's. Reason being, we are still sticking with the tried and tested Super VOOC fast charging from Oppo. So this is still a 65-watt brick. You pair it with the USB Type-C cable there, and you should be getting juiced up in no time. In my experience with the Reno 5, it's just over 50 minutes to go from 0 to 100. So that should be pretty much the same, since we are looking at about a similar battery capacity. This has a 4300 milliampere hour battery, and a new addition, you can actually plug in another device here to reverse charge it, either directly or using a dongle. Before I remove this plastic wrap, you can see some of the features of the Oppo Reno6 5G highlighted here. You have bokeh flare portrait video, you have AI highlight video, alternate video, and live HDR. You have this, of course, ultra slim retro design, and then the 65-watt Super VOOC 2.0 fast charging that I've already talked about, and we're still keeping the 90 Hz refresh rate. So yes, here's the device. Let's get rid of this. Gone. So here is the Oppo Reno6 5G in all its Aurora glory. There are two color options. There's this Aurora that I have here, and there's also what they are calling Stellar Black. Now if you remember, you can see the camera arrangement is unchanged from the Reno 5s. I actually have the Reno 5 next to me here, and it's what I'm using to monitor the viewfinder, as you can see. So the back camera arrangement is unchanged, but of course you get the addition of a temperature sensor there, and the LED moves up top, but pretty much the same. You also have a similar arrangement of the lasers. You have a 64 megapixel main sensor over there, and an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel macro lens at the front here. And the corner, staying on the corner, you have a 32 megapixel selfie camera. What's new to me is the feel. It has this kind of like a boxy shape, but you still have your very nicely curved sides, curved corners, and of course the chamfered edges. Down here you have your SIM tray, and of course USB Type-C port, and your speaker, and you can see the cutouts for the antenna bands are here with us. This is 5G. There's a mic up top, and then your power button is here on the right side, my right side, and then you have volume up, volume down here, neatly arranged. Yeah. Now for what you can't see under the hood, there is 8 gigabytes of RAM, and of course 128 gigabytes of onboard storage. That is unchanged from the Reno 5. The difference now is here there is no there's no memory expansion. You are not getting a micro SD card slot. Forget about that. You are getting 128 GB, which should be pretty much sufficient. I've shared previously on Twitter where I am with my 128 GB on the Reno 5 since February, so you should be pretty much at home with this device. Another addition, we are getting NFC. At least that's what I've seen online. I'll need to verify that the Kenyan model also is getting NFC, and of course we have a built-in on-screen fingerprint sensor, since you can see it on the side or at the back. And this is running ColorOS 11.3, which is based on Android 11. There should be a path to Android 12, but we'll know that going along. That's why you should keep to the blog and stay updated. As far as the feel goes, this is supposed to be 182 grams. Feels like it. I don't know what to expect, but yeah, still light like the Reno 5. And the thickness, this is just 0.76 inches. So let's put this aside and go back to the small box I've ignored for a minute. So okay, so in the small box we have your SIM tray ejection pin here, and some user guides, yes, the safety guide, whatnot, and of course here's some protective casing that is nicely boxed in the style of the Reno 6 5G. So let's put those aside, but let's show you one thing. As you can see, this is where you slot in your SIM cards. So I blocked that view. So here your SIM card goes here, both ways. So your two SIM cards, of course, this being a 5G phone, either slot will be fine for your 5G SIM card. So let's boot up this device and see what we're getting with ColorOS 11.3. Yeah, and there is your ColorOS 11 welcome screen. And here we go. This is the Oppo Reno6 5G. ColorOS 11 is familiar. It's what I've been using on other Oppo devices, and something that piqued my interest here, they've pre-installed the LinkedIn app. I don't think I've seen that before. I'm not sure. I've also seen booking.com on Oppo devices. I've been seeing that on Huawei ones. Netflix is pretty much par the course. We've been here before, so look, all relax. Yeah, pretty standard WPS also. And we have a Pubg mobile gift box. This is also new, but there should be some freebies for those who like online gaming. And there's the games app there, which should be bringing all these customizations and optimizations that you need when you are gaming. So once you enable the permissions, should be good to go with it. It will bring your game stats here, as you can see, and tell you if you are gaming for far too long. And then you can record your gameplays, those kinds of things. See, as far as that goes, yeah, here you'll get your Google feed and nothing much. Up top, pretty much standard Oppo, so nothing strange there. Let's look at the display settings. Let's see more. The refresh rate is automatically set to high, so that means your scrolling rate is you have smoother scrolling rate thanks to the 90 Hz. Now you still have a smoother scrolling experience using the standard 60 Hz refresh rate, but well, I always have the 90 Hz automatically set. Of course, for you to enjoy it, besides the system settings and whatever Oppo has worked on, you will need to be using apps that support it. Nothing much. And of course, let's see those cameras. So here is what you're getting with the cameras. Nothing strange really, pretty much by the course. You have to enable the 64 megapixel lens. Automatically it's usually off, but yeah, nothing much here. Can switch to night mode, pretty much easy stuff really. And let's see other options. Yeah, they've built in Soul Loop templates here, so that's been it. A quick unboxing and walkthrough of the Oppo Reno6 5G. We'll be doing a proper review on the blog and a highlight of other features of this device. So please check androidkenya.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time.